The Ally What You See Is What You Get, or WYSIWYG Feedback Tool allows users to receive contextualized guidance creating accessible course materials. The tool's intuitive interface guides users to identify and fix accessibility errors so that content is accessible for a wider range of learners. To get started, navigate to bCourses content that uses the rich content editor, such as a previously created page. Select Edit. The Ally WYSIWYG feedback indicator appears in the top right corner, providing an accessibility score. Selecting the indicator displays the Ally interface, revealing the first accessibility error and offers assistance on how to fix it. Users have the option to select the All Issues button to reveal every accessibility error on the page and evaluate how fixing each will improve their accessibility score. Select the Exit button to go back to the first issue detected and begin the remediation process. For every issue detected, users have the option to select the What This Means button, review a description of those who are impacted by the accessibility error, and consider the benefits of fixing the error. In this case, the text color used for certain headings has an insufficient contrast ratio, making it difficult for learners with visual impairments to distinguish. The Ally tool conveniently recommends higher contrast alternatives. By selecting one of the Ally recommended colors and choosing the Apply to All Occurrences option, the inaccessible font colors on the entire page are remediated to conform to web content accessibility guidelines. As users address accessibility issues one by one, the accessibility score increases until all issues have been resolved and the accessibility score eventually reaches 100%. With the help of Ally's WYSIWYG feedback tool, making accessible course content is streamlined and rewarding. For more help with digital accessibility, email allyhelp@berkeley.edu.